Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You must begin by using Discord's official verification flow. This protects your account and other users. First, check the email tied to your account for a verification link and click it. If a phone step appears, enter a number you can access and input the code when it arrives. Make sure your profile info is correct and any requested ID details match exactly. Once done, wait for confirmation and avoid third-party tools that promise shortcuts. If verification stalls, take systematic troubleshooting steps. Resend the verification email and inspect your spam or junk folder. Sometimes links expire, so request a fresh one. Clear Discord app cache or switch platforms, try the desktop app, mobile app, or an incognito browser, and attempt the process again. Also confirm your device's date/time are accurate, and if you use a VPN, disable it temporarily because some providers block verification services. These steps resolve most common interruptions. Finish by enabling two-factor authentication to secure your account and reduce future verification friction. If problems continue, contact Discord support through the official help center and submit a ticket that includes your username, email, and clear screenshots of errors. Do not share sensitive data publicly. Be patient. Support responses and automated checks can take 24 to 72 hours. Troubleshooting tip: keep copies.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.